Okay guys, so this is your finished product, a Jamaican style turn cornmeal. So we have your thyme, your scallion, and your chopped pepper inside your turn cornmeal, Jamaican style. And I'm telling you, look at that. Wow, lovely bite. See all those seasoning, the butter, the coconut milk. Beautiful, soft and nice, and ready to eat with your fish as soon as the fish is finished. So stick and stay. I'll be right back. Okay? Hey guys, so see we're here now. Our fire is up and ready for our fish. Okay, so see I have my fish well wrapped, snapper, and the angel fish. Beautiful fish. Nice big dinner size fish. So I have 4 fish here, 4 people. Okay, so while I have this hot in, all I do is just see, add some water to the pan. Add some water to the pan. And let it get hot and wait for my fish to put in and cover. So stick and stay. We're roasting snapper and angelfish, stuffed snapper and angelfish, stovetop grill style. We're roasting it inside on the stove. Okay guys, so stick and stay. So my pan is hot. Woo! See, can't even touch the water. Okay, I've turned on my fire, and now I'm gonna place my fish that is well wrapped, stuffed, seasoned and stuffed with your callaloo and all the seasoning in the callaloo, you know, your mixed vegetable and all of that. And now I'm gonna place them in my pan on my stovetop to roast, like so. Okay, guys, just like that. Okay, so this pan is full, and you can just cut this one somewhere here and pull these down so that you can just cock up the tail because the main part that you want to roast is the body of the fish. So you pull this one over, okay, you set your fish. Hey guys, so I'm just making some sauce to go over your turn cornmeal and your fish. So, you know, you have to have your sweet pepper and your onions and, you know, your little sauce like that. So stick and stay. So you wash off your tomato. So I'm adding a tomato and 1 okra to the sauce. That will be going over my turn cornmeal and my fish, to eat with my fish. Okay guys, so you're tuned to the Kev Adventurous Food Journey, and stick and stay. I'm showing you how I do my stovetop roast fish, stuffed roast fish and turn cornmeal. I'll be right back. Cut off your head and the tail, and then you slice it up. As we already have a lot of that, so you just put a little more right, and you have it inside of the fish in the stuffing and all of that, so you don't want to overpower your sauce. Okay, you want to cut it so fine, you can cut it in 2 and slice it like that. Okay guys, yeah, you dice up your tomato, because you know that nice when you're throwing it over your thing to eat. Okay, slice up your sweet pepper, okay, already washed, and you slice it like that. You don't cut it the other way, you cut it in the ring. You have to have your pepper. Have to have a nice onion, so you just cut a half of it because we're not making a lot. Okay, you're gonna have some nice onion rings in it. And you peel that and you wash and you're good to go. Wash your onions properly, and you don't have to wash once you peel them, but I like to wash and then you make some nice onion rings. You know? Okay, see? Nice onion rings. Okay guys, so see you have that is going to go in your sauce. And these are the things. I'm going to use some butter to steam that down, and little fish seasoning. Okay, your rainforest fish spice and a little fish spice noodle. Okay guys, so see, I have my butter, and I'm going to put a little in the pot now to just get hot for my prepared vegetable and seasoning. So first thing, you have to get a little butter knife, send that off in there. This is your cooking butter. Okay guys, so melt that butter out. Melt it off the knife, and then you get your vegetable and seasoning, and you notice I'm using the same stove, and you just scrape that all off in there. You smell that, guys? And we're going to just saute this down for about 1 or 2 minutes, and trust me, wow. Then we're going to get a little water on that. Get a little water on that, yeah, so we don't have any sticking. Okay guys, and from early out you make sure that you put your fish season in. That will add the season that you need. So the fish seasoning that leaves the fish noodle for your fish soup, yeah, you can just use that to make your thing. Okay, you just make that go and simmer down a little. And then you have your fish, rainforest fish spice. It's a little bit. So you already have your fish noodle in there to just give it like a kick. So you have your sweet pepper, your tomato, your onion, your scallion, and all of that set in a little pot, and then you add a little more water on that. Okay guys, and you saute that down. Yeah, get all the light you need. Yes guys, so we're back. So we're getting a good lighting now for you guys to see what is going on. So this is our sauce for our roast fish, because you know your roast fish is a bit in the file, so you're not going to really have the juice from that. And you know, you turn cornmeal, you need something to eat it with, and trust me guys, I'm telling you, whew, number one. Okay, so this is almost done, so I'll soon remove this. So I'll give it around 2 minutes more to just simmer. Okay guys, so we're just looking in on our fish now. See, we're getting that nice pretty steam coming out of our fish, so we can now flip them guys. Okay, so that's not hard, we just flip them like that. Okay, wow, see, it's been penetrated, good. Okay, so you just flip the fish. Wow, you see, when you see the file is turning into that color, you know that it is getting the heat that it's supposed to get. Okay guys, so you flip. Remember, don't try this at home. I'm a professional. You get something and you hold them and you flip. So you see that it holds your 4 fish comfortably. flip. Because what is cooking your fish right now, guys, is the steam. Steam, that's it. Steam. And then you move them out of the way, you feel them, and then you cover back your fish. As tight as you can. Just like you cover your jerk pan or your whatever you do. Okay, guys? Okay, so stick and stay. That's Kev Adventurous Food Journey on YouTube, and I am doing stovetop grill roast fish. Okay, so this is the stovetop grill roast fish, stuff and roast fish. Stick and stay, you will see the finished product soon. And I'm also finishing up some sauce, okay, for my turn cornmeal that I'll be serving with the fish. So stick and stay. Yes, guys, so I'm just giving you a little look in on my sauce that will be going on my turn cornmeal and my roast fish. Okay, that's my stuff, roast snapper and angel fish that is being grilled, stovetop style, and that's my sauce that will be going on the turn cornmeal, because you know it's a cornmeal kind of dry, so you have to have something to eat it to bring it down. Okay, guys, so now let's go over to my fish. Okay, let me get something to hold it and listen if they're just coming on nicely. Wow, look at that, guys. Wow, so we'll be feasting like kings and queens tonight. Okay, and we'll be having those roast fish like you're looking at with, wow, some turn cornmeal Jamaican style. That's Kev's Adventurous turn cornmeal and roast fish stovetop style. Stick and stay. So we're here again, guys, to look at our pot with our fish that is being stuffed and been steam roasting on our stove top. Okay, so it's time for another test. You juke the fish like that to know what's going on with it, but first you make sure you flip the fish. Okay, guys, so the butter seeking out. Yeah, so you know that you see the water bubbling to steam it. You flip it back down, bam. See? Yes, guys. Okay, so we're flipping our fish for the last time. Okay, guys? Yeah, that's it. It's cooked. We're flipping them all around. So you use your spoon or your long fork or something and you flip. You flip and you flip and you make sure they go back down to absorb that steam. Okay, so the next time you see me look at this fish on the stovetop grill, it will be done. Okay, guys, so it's your boy stovetop grilling as usual, and we're doing some stuff, snapper, roast, and some angel fish stuffed roast with turn cornmeal Jamaican style. Stick and stay. We're back? Okay. So let's go check out our fish, guys. Supposed to finish now. Yes, it is. Okay, so I've already put this one up here because it's done. How you know? When you press into the side of your fish, it sinks and it's softer than when you just put it in there. So this roast fish is now done. So I'm going to take it off and share, and you will see what it looks like. So stick and stay, Guys, I'll be right back with the finished roast fish, stovetop grill style. Stick and stay.